Hello, Android users. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to locate your downloaded files on your Android phone or tablet. Whether you've just downloaded a document, an image, or a music file, we'll guide you through the process. Let's get started. Using the built-in file manager, e.g., Files, or My Files, every Android device comes with a pre-installed file manager app. On Google Pixel phones, it's called Files, while Samsung Galaxy phones refer to it as My Files. Follow these steps. Open the File Manager app on your Android phone or tablet. Look for the Downloads folder. Typically, this folder contains all your downloaded files. If you're using a Google Pixel, tap the hamburger menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner to open the side menu. Select Downloads from the list. Voila! You'll find all your downloaded files neatly organized in this folder. Using the Files by Google app, if you prefer a more streamlined experience, consider using the Files by Google app, available for download from the Google Play Store. Here's how. Open the Files by Google app on your Android device. Make sure you're on the Browse tab. Tap Downloads to view all your downloaded documents and files.